Welcome again to Bosch with Brian. We're right here in the thick of it on the Makita stand at the FFX Show, and we've made our first purchase. We bought a plunge short and some rails, bargain price. The whole place is going mad. Like always, FFX and Makita pull everything out of the fire, and this is really good. I've got loads more to buy, so I'm going to carry on walking around and I'll tell you what else I'll buy. I think I'm going to buy a 10.8 impact driver, body only, 35 quid. Got to be done. On the Bosch stand, and we're looking around, and one thing that's caught my eye is this combination set. It's the Flex Clip drill driver set. Good money. I really like to see this in the Makita range because I don't tend not to use my 10.8 drills and impact drivers from the Makita is my tool of choice in that range, although lots of the other 10.8 stuff from Bosch is well used on site. Stand used to be Hitachi, of course, and they've got a very interesting camouflage range of tools there. I don't know that I'd like to use them myself on site, but look at that. One thing that Hitachi and now Hikoki are always good at is a good price point against the Pasmo framing nailer, and there's absolutely no reason, I think, not to go with the lower price as opposed to the industry standard which has been Pasmo. Look how easy this one is to use. Straight in. This is a bump. This is in bump mode. And of course, a little bit more aggressive like that, then you can use the front. This is a finishing nailer, and again battery powered, but you can have battery or gas powered, as is the Pasmo that's currently placed. No reason again not to buy a Hikoki framing nailer if you're in the market for that. Here we are at our friends at Evolution. Love Evolution. Their blade cutting systems with steel, wood, whatever, are terrific. I'm looking now at one of the sliding mitre saws, and the new addition to the range is this clamping system, which seems to be locating on a lug here and clamping forward. I think that's a lovely new innovation and a good idea for safety purposes. Yeah. Well done, Evolution. Love the stand again. This is the trend stand, and it is an interesting product we're looking at here. A interesting to see this as a development for the likes of you, me and you to use. Here we are on the Metabo stand. I'm always impressed with the range of tools that Metabo have got, the innovation in their tools. Unfortunately, I have one of the mitre saws. I'm very pleased with it. Unfortunately, once you're on a battery platform, you're on a battery platform. But I've just bought a 305mm saw blade for my saw bench. $8.95. That's cheaper here at this exhibition than having one sharpened. Bargain. On the Milwaukee stand now. It's innovative, like the Metabo stand. It's got loads of tools. It's all about, if you're on that platform, then you can fill your boots with loads of different types of product. And one of the interesting things about the Milwaukee is they've got this tracker, so should any tool be stolen, in theory, you can track it. Here we are on the Festool stand, and we're looking at their vacuum system. Festool are obviously known for their quality, and the vacuum cleaner is no exception to that. But hey, Evolution, why don't you look at the opportunity perhaps to do the same for your tools? So you can see that using the installation cutter would make the whole job of cutting Celotex so much easier. But I just got told off for not connecting the Hoover with it. Oh dear. Okay, bought lots of stuff. Great show. Gonna come again next year, you bet.